Whoa! This is the Arrma Vorteks 3S BLX, and this right here is the Traxxas Bandit VXL two-wheel drive. And today we're just gonna be bashing them in this area all around here. We got a skate park and we got a big old field back there.
And we are gonna be doing a drag race with these two cars to see which is the quickest.
So we hope all of you are excited for this video. We both can't wait, so let's get right to it. All right, so let's get both these cars set up.
So we're gonna be running a 5,200 milliamp hour 80C LiPo in the Vortex.
This is brand new. It has tons of power. We just ran it a little bit and it makes this thing go crazy fast. We're not getting sponsored by them. We just think it's an awesome battery. So now that he's got all that set up, we're gonna set this up. So I already got the battery in. It's a 5,000 milliamp hour 3S 35C LiPo. Turn on the radio, turn on the car. We got power. Let's run this. Here's the Vortex. Jeez. Jeez. See what wheelies we can do with the Bandit. Whoa. Oh, jeez. Spit up a ton of dirt. Now this is how it is in grass. So not the best, because remember, this is a two-wheel drive vehicle. Here comes the Bandit.
Whoa.
Oh, that was crazy. Let's see if this can do backflips on a tree. Whoa!
Oh, so close.
That was actually pretty crazy.
And of course it survived, because it's an Arrma.
Oh. Let's see how the Bandit does. Not even close. Whoa! Jeez! See if we can get it over. Nice! So guys, these Anaconda wheels are better than the stock ones, but they still kind of lost tread a little bit fast. You can see like they don't have all their tread anymore. But in the end, it is way better than the stock wheels. Nice! Through the bush. Whoa, nice.
That is crazy.
So that's the Vortex on the road. That thing is so fast on those batteries. Whoa. Dang, that thing's fast. All right, now we're going into the skate park. Here's the Vortex. Nice. Oh. Oh, here goes the Vortex on this huge ramp. Nice. Oh, that was a perfect landing. Do you think it's good? Yep.
Yep, everything's good.
I do not think the Bandit can do something like that, but it can do this. Oh no! So all that came off was the wheelie bar. It's just right under here. That happens a lot. It's kind of annoying, but you kind of got to deal with it. Remember, this thing isn't a full-on basher. It's not a stunt truck. It's just a simple buggy. That is one thing we kind of don't like about this skate park. You can see right here, it's just a straight drop off. So that's kind of annoying. It's better for more stunt trucks like his Vortex. But for the Bandit, I don't want to keep landing on that. So we're going to just have to go to the smaller ramps. There it goes. Oh, over the stairs. I didn't even notice those were there, but it went over it perfect. Oh! Let's see if we're good. Check the underside. I think we're good. Oh, nice. Oh, geez. So you can see that the Vortex is definitely better at jumping, but this can still be bashed. And that's what I really love about it. It can be a speed car and it can be bashed. It's not a stunt truck, but it's still pretty fun. This thing can wheelie really long, guys. I haven't even driven it in a while, so I'm a bit rusty on wheelies, but let me try here. Nice. Yeah, I can hold those pretty long. Jeez. Jeez, that's crazy. Whoa. So as you can see, the Vortex has a lot of power and the Bandit has a little bit more speed. So who do you think will win in the drag race? Make sure to comment down below. All right guys, we've got the Bandit right here on this side and then we got the Vortex over here. And now it's time to see who will win in the drag race.
So we have one angle down there so you can see they get a fair start, and then we have one angle right at this crack, which is the finish line.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Whoa.
Go!
So we just looked back at the footage and the Bandit definitely won that one.
The Bandit is obviously designed to be a drag car,
Whereas the Vortex is more designed for bashing purposes. Though I must admit, if we did have a long enough strip, this car would probably go a little bit faster. But the Bandit obviously has the advantage of being two-wheel drive and more designed like a drag car. So that's basically what it's meant for. And that's why it won. Jeez, whoa.
both survive.
We're all good. Gosh, they're fast, whoa. Nice. All right guys, we really hope you enjoyed that video. That was super fun to make. That was such a fun bash. One of the more fun RC days for us. The Bandit won in the drag race, but that does not mean that the Vortex is a bad car. This thing is a complete beast.
It's so fast, so controllable. I love it.
And the Bandit is definitely a lot quicker and can pull wheelies a lot easier. Make sure to like and subscribe as that little animation is showing you.
Which one do you guys like more, the Vortex or the Bandit? Make sure to comment that down below.
In my opinion, overall for an RC car, I think the Vortex is better, but they're both great RC vehicles. They were super fun to drive today. They were super awesome. Make sure to give us a like too. That really helps the channel. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you next time in our next video. Goodbye.